Hello friends, welcome to CodeChamp. Today in this class, I'm going to tell you how we can use AI in MS Excel. So let's start. Here you can see I have created here one sheet. In this sheet, I have mentioned here my invoice number, product, months, and the sale amount. Here everything is there, but I just want to mention here my unique product name. For this, what we will do, we will just go to the ChatGPT option. If you want, you can try ChatGPT here also. Just clicking here or add instruction and just choose whatever you want to take and just click on the add one. So whatever you will add, it will be added here. But remember, it's a paid version. So if you want to use ChatGPT in your Excel, then you should pay. Otherwise, I'm giving you one small trick. With the help of that, you can use GPT with free without any payment. So for this, what you will do, you just go to Google and log in with your ChatGPT. And as I told you that here, I want to mention my unique product name. For this, we will go here and just type here, I want unique items from B2 to V100 in Excel. Whatever you will type here, according to that, it will give you the formula. Just simply copy the formula and wherever you want to apply it, just simply paste. Now you can see it is showing all the unique product which you have here. As you can see, I have mentioned already. So like this, you can create it with the different part of this AI. With the help of AI, you can create a dashboard regarding the sheet. You can create the chart regarding this sheet. If you want, you can apply the filter. You can apply the slicer. It means whatever you are doing your own. With the help of AI, just giving a single command and it will convert your sheet in that one. That will be the quick method. So if you want to continue with this AI classes, then just join CodeChamp AI with Excel. Only 50 days classes are there. If you will join, then I will tell you many more tricks that you can do with the help of AI. So see you in the class. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.